Hi everybody. So today we're going to learn about this pentachord. A pentachord is a part of the scale that goes with 5 notes. So for example, if we were in the C major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Can you sing that with me please? 1, 2, 3, and do, re, mi, fa, sol. And now back. Sol, fa, mi, re, do. So we're only going to use those 5 notes. Now we're going to change it and we're going to use a different pentachord, the ones that's next. So it would begin, instead of beginning in do, it will begin on the next note, which is re. There you go, you got it. So let's sing re, mi, fa, sol, la. Now back. La, sol, fa, mi, re. Did you notice something different about the way that this sounds? It's very, very unlike the first one. The first one sounds do, re, mi, fa, sol. And the second one, re, mi, fa, sol, la. It sounds a little bit darker. Do you remember how we call this? This one was major, and this one is, yes, it's a minor pentachord, because it has that, the one that gives it the quality is actually the fa. If I play re, mi, fa, sol, la, it sounds a minor pentachord. But if I play this, re, mi, fa, sol, la, this note makes all the difference. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Okay, how do we read this using only 2 lines? Because we have 5 notes, so, oops, that's way too thick. Let's lay it on a little bit thinner. Let's actually change the pencil here. Let's do just 1 and 2. All right, so now if I have 2 lines, that means that I have how many places to put my notes in? I have the 2 lines, and I have a space that goes over, under, and in the middle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, and I have a pentachord. So that means it's a great place. All right, so let's go. Let's take these off, and now let's go with notes. For example, anything that I put here, I'm going to name it re. I'm going to change it to this one better. Re, mi, fa, sol, la. So everything that looks like this is going to be actually re, mi, fa, sol, la. Okay, now let's see it a little bit differently. If I do it with re, what would that one be? Re, la, re. Okay, so you just have to learn some of the jumps, let's say. Now let's write re, mi, fa, sol, la, so that you don't forget. All right, so we have that re, la, re. Now, what if I do this? Re, la, la. Now they're starting to look like notes, right? So I have re, re, la, la, sol, sol, la. Now, can you sing this, but a number of times, okay? Let's just go on a loop. Re, re, la, la, sol, sol, la, and go. Again. With a re. All right, good. Now let's try a different one. Let's go with okay, so I have my two lines, very well drawn, by the way. And now I'm going to do this re, re, la, la. Okay, so what's that one? Re, re, la, 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 sol, la. And the second phrase, this is going to be one phrase. Remember that movement? Da, da, dee, da, dee, dee, dum. Now we're going to do something. We're going to use that here. So, so, fa, fa. This is our second phrase. So, so, fa, fa, mi. Okay, so repeat after me. Re, re, la, 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 sol, la. Now you. So, so, fa, fa, mi. All right, not bad. Now for the our next part. Okay, we're going to draw our two lines again. There's the second system. And now, re, re, la, la. It's a little bit different. Sol, sol, la. Sol, fa, mi. So I have my phrase that goes here. Re, re, la, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi. Okay? Can we try and sing the whole thing from the beginning? Concentrate and use the slow tempo to anticipate what we are going to sing. 1, 2, 3. Re, re, la, 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 sol, la, sol, sol, fa, fa, mi. Re, re, la, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi. Now let's go to a little bit more intense bit of the piece. Let's do our lines. 1, 2. Let's do another 2 here. 1, 2. Oh, the first one was very straight. And then the last system here. 1, 2. E. That one's just terrible. Let's do that again. 1, 2. Yeah, that one looks better. Okay, now let's change my pencil here to this. Okay, now let's go to the more intense part. We're going to do this very... Okay, can you tell me what notes are those? Oops. All right. How about now? Can you tell me what notes are those? Re, mi, fa, and it goes back. Re, and it jumps back up. Fa, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, sol. So it has a similar jump. That's called a progression because I have the same model that goes dee da 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 dum, and then it does the same thing. Dee da 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 dum. And then da 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 da. Well, I'm going to do the same one. Fa, fa, sol, la, fa, sol. Oops, let me just correct that because that's a half note. Sol, mi, and fa, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, mi. Oh, no, 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 I got that one wrong. It's sol, fa, mi, re, mi. And then we have something very peculiar. We have something that repeats. So if it's going to repeat, I'm going to write this here, track, because it's going to repeat. And I go re, re, la, 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 sol, la. And then that repeats 1, 2, 3 times. So I'm just going to write here this 3, tick tack, tuk tuk, and the ending sol, fa, mi, almost out of space, re. That's it. All right. So let's see the whole thing. Well, let's sing this part, the intense one, because it goes like this. Re, mi, fa, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, sol, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, mi, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, and re, la, 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 sol, la, re, la, 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 sol, la, re, la, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re. And I leave, this is called fermata. Well, it's very badly drawn. Let me do that again. Ah, nope, not generate image. That. Where's the fermata? Yeah, that's it. That's the fermata, which means that it's just longer because I have a ritardando here. And another thing, did you notice I have this one is piano, but not just any piano. I have piano subito. So that means sudden. Subito. Because this da da dee da da dum ti da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dee da dum. All this is crescendo. Crescendo. Tic tac 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 tac. All the way here. And then piano subito. Sol, mi, sol, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, mi, sol, fa, mi, re, mi. Ready? Re, la, 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 sol, la, re, la, la, sol, la, re, la, la, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, mi. Now, let's see that from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Re, re, la, 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 sol, la, sol, sol, fa, fa, mi. Re, re, la, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi. Re, mi, fa, re, Now, your homework is going to be to study this melody. I'm going to send you a good clean copy of this so that you can study it and we can sing it together when we're back on campus, but also that you can record it so that we can make that ensemble that we made some months ago. And but you're not going to do that right now, not right now on Seesaw. I will send you that task, but for now, remember, it's important to practice this.